Hello students, myself Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss today class 8 subject science chapter 1 crop production and its management, but this is part 1. This is the first part of the chapter to be explained by me as Arun Pandey. So in this chapter crop production and management, as chapter indicate crop production and management. So first of all have to know about crop and production and management. So what is crop first of all? So crop is the plants grown in a large quantity in a field is called crops. So once again I am going to define the term crop. Plants grown in a large quantity in a field is called crops. This is the definition of crops, as crops will be paddy crops, maize crops, wheat crops. These are the crops. So how to produce it? How to manage about in their insect pest, how to irrigate, how to manure these crops. This is the management. So I'm going to ahead and we're going to second topic on agriculture. So what is agriculture? So agriculture is the science that deals with the raising of plants and the rearing of animals for human use is called agriculture. That means agriculture is the science. Agriculture is a term of science. So agriculture is the science that deals with the raising of plants. So agriculture is the science that deals with the raising of crops and the rearing of animals is called agriculture. So agriculture is the science that deals with the raising of crops. That means agriculture is the science in which growing of crops that can be studied, and rearing of animals also studied. This is the agriculture. But in agriculture, in a broad sense, we study the following topics: soil management, crop farming, horticulture, animal husbandry. These are the topics which is broadly comes in the sense of agriculture. So what is soil management, crop farming, horticulture, animal husbandry? We are going to explain one by one in detail. So what is soil management? So preparation of soil for growing of crops is called soil management. So soil management is the preparation of soil. When soil is prepared, then crops will be sown, grown and harvested. This is the soil management. And in crop farming, crop will be grown and harvested. I am telling you about in crop farming. In crop farming, crops will be grown and harvested. But in what will be in horticulture? What will be in horticulture? In horticulture, the growing and harvesting, growing also done and harvesting is also done. For what? For fruits, for vegetable, for flowers and for decorative plants. These are done in horticulture. But what will be in animal husbandry? What things can be done in the animal husbandry? In animal husbandry, the breeding and raising of livestock. Breeding and raising of livestock will be done, including poultry also done in the term animal husbandry. But next topic will be, how did it all start? How did soil management start? How does crop farming start also? And how does horticulture and animal husbandry also start? Let us understand how did all these points will be started. So started in such a manner because of our thousand of years. What will be? Thousand of years. human were wanderers. That means human roam here and there, always wandering in the search of shelter, in the search of food also. Wanderer who kept moving from place to place, from one place to another place, always human beings wandering, not to settle at a place, wandering here and there in search of food, in search of shelter also. But then about 10,000 years ago, how many? Because about 10,000 years ago, that means about 10,000 years before, what? Human started growing plants. Human try to grow plants before 10,000 years ago. Human started growing plants. Then what will happen? Human started growing plants such as wheat and barley. First of all, human started growing plants such as wheat and barley as a test. Then after that, what will be happen? This is the mark of first great change in the human lifestyle. Because before 10,000 years ago, human were wanderer, roam here and there, go here and there for their shelter, for their food. They have no idea how to settle at a place, how to grow plants. But when human tried to grow wheat and barley plant, first of all, so this is the mark of change in the lifestyle of human. Then after that, what happened? The spread of agriculture meant that the humans no longer had to wander. When human beings started growing plants, that means when their lifestyle will be changed, then there is no need to grow here, to move here and there for their food, shelter, because all the necessities, all the need of the human are fulfilled at one place. So human going to about settle at a place. Then after that, they could settle down in communities. Human beings settled down at a communities in their group and started these things. They also started domesticating animals, because this is the last point, or animal husbandry. Human started domesticating animal, rearing animal for their personal use, and agriculture thus made it possible for a larger population to settle down at a place. So this is the mark of starting agriculture. So I think that you all of students understand very well whatever I have explained. If any doubt found in the any topic, any term, then you contact me at my WhatsApp number and I will confirm you. Thanks.